Okay. Okay, so to get this set up, I go to my FastBridge and log in, and I go to my literacy portion, and then I go to whoever I'm going to FastBridge. And I know there are different ways to do this. I just come to the passage and I take a screenshot, and I don't know why this works for me. So I have the screenshot. So then what I do is I open the screenshot, and on my Zoom, I share this screen with the student. So they're reading off this while I am showing, or I am, using this to mark the miscues. So the next video that you're going to see is you're going to see me with this screen, and I'm marking the miscues while the student is reading from this screen here, which you won't see. And so she doesn't see me making the marks. She's just reading from here and going on.